If you want your garage floor to look like this, we're going to show you exactly how to do it. So today we're going to be talking about technology, what's available on the market, common mistakes, how to design your own floor, and how to install it yourself. Flexspec have been in the industry since 2019. We've worked with hundreds of brands, including UltraTune, Tire Power, and many more. We've sold and installed over 1 million of these tiles throughout Australia. If you want the best quality with the biggest range and the cheapest prices, you've got to do it Flexspec.
I was born to die with a gun in my hands. I'm a dead man walking, got blood on my hands.
So these are made from 100% pure polypropylene. They've got UV stabilized. It's not going to completely stop fading, but it will help. Non-recycled, so they come with a lifetime warranty. If any tiles do break, we just send out a replacement, but rarely ever happens. These are the GridFlex Pros. They're the most popular ones on the market. We've got about 25 colors. This is a newer version. These are 400 by 400 and they're 18 mil thick. These ones have a flatter top. It's just easier on the knees and easier when rolling smaller caster wheels on them. This is the 3D tile, which is patented in Australia. This is one of our newer products, pretty popular for a lot of detail stores out there who want a different kind of look. So these are the NeoFlex Pros. These are our budget-friendly choice. They're about 1 mil thinner, but still have the same strength as the GridFlex Pros. So this is our Diamond Flex Pro range. It's a flatter top tile. It's not open ribbed like our other tiles, but it still has the same benefits with channeling and airflow. So, and because they are raised at the bottom, it allows airflow to go through the tile so it stops mold and mildew from building up. A lot of the tiles on the market have a lot thinner clips, as you can see here, whereas our clips are a lot thicker and generally will last a lot longer with the lifetime warranty. All our tiles have channeling underneath, so water can flow. A lot of people think that water will build up underneath an individual tile, but it's actually not true. Water actually has the ability to flow. With cleaning them, you can just run a pressure hose, or you can just vacuum over the top once a year. We've got multiple ramps as well, both male and female, pegged and looped. We have them in 25 different colors. Also have these new tiles. They don't come with LEDs. They're used so that you can run LEDs in between your tiles for added customization. And they just clip on, you just put them in here, the LEDs, run the LEDs through here, and just clip these over the top. We also have these. These are the rubber ramps. These are made to last forever. These ones you just glue down or where the car's going to drive up. So we have multiple accessories and we're constantly investing in new different technologies and accessories for our products. So you can just jump on our website. We've got a design tool. Now in the design tool, you just enter in your measurements, the length and the width. From there, you'll just pick the color of the tile you want. The next step after that would be if you want custom colors, you want to say color in, you want like a parking bay in a rectangle or a border around your garage. Pick the color you want, color in the squares. Then at the end, it'll come up with how many tiles you need of each color. It'll save you time and energy. You don't need to worry about ordering too many tiles or too little tiles. If you are short one tile, you can always order just one tile. There's no shipping added. We do free shipping Australia-wide on all orders. The tools you'll need is a rubber mallet, a ruler for measuring, you need a marker just to line up where you're going to cut, a guillotine. Most people don't have access to one of these, so a jigsaw or a circular saw is perfectly fine. The way we install these is we will start where the roller door is of your garage, do the first row at the front. We'll start on the side that generally needs the least cutting. So say if it's on the left side, we'll start on the left side. We'll do that first row all the way. On the far right side, it means you have to cut that side. We'll add the ramps at the front, we'll close the garage door, and then we'll push the first row as close to the front as we can. We'll just keep doing rows from left to right, all the way. Now, once we get to the end, likely we'll have to cut the back, and then we'll cut the right to fit, and then that's it. If you want it done right, you need to do it this way. And if you get stuck or need any help, just give us a call and our team will guide you through the process. We're doing this to help people create their dream garage. We really appreciate your support, so like, comment and subscribe. We'll be releasing content every month. With the biggest range and the cheapest prices, you got to do it Flexspec.